everybody, my name is Oscar Kibet. Now, one of the things I want to discuss about today is something different. So what is happening is I'm very active on the social media platform, if you can be able to check on my accounts. But what I really realized, and I'll tell you this for free, one of the social media channels that I really like is VK. VK is a platform that is in Russia. It is still owned by the same person, the same founder of Telegram. One of the reasons why I like VK is these people, the community there, they really have a passion for art. Like for example, if you're someone who is passionate about knitting, sewing, or weaving, then VK is the channel for you. Like I said, today I'll talk something different. This is for the VK community. We are coming out of the precedence of the coronavirus. This also hit us here so much in Africa. And also, I'll not like to hide this. There's also the war in Russia and Ukraine. But anyway, I'll not talk about that for so long. So what is happening is, like I said, this is for the VK community and the people who are my followers there. I've received so many questions, like for example, very many questions and comments, basically on sales. What I want to expressly say, according to how I've witnessed things. I understand it is hard everywhere, you know, especially since we are coming out of the corona pandemic, and then now the war in Ukraine and Russia. Now everything is skyrocketing up. It's like everything is just blowing out of proportion. Now, one of my followers told me that she's not getting so much sales as before. There's also a guy who told me the same thing. But what I want to briefly say is this: if you have a website, and then if you have a social media accounts like YouTube, you can push your products to YouTube, Facebook. Okay, Facebook, I've tried it. It's not a very active platform because there's a lot of garbage that goes on there. But if you try, VK is very good, by the way. You try YouTube. Okay, if you start a channel, you should also have a website to incline to that channel. Another one you should try is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also very good, but basically it's more of connecting people to employment, you know. Okay, for business, I really would not give it that much credit. But there's another one also called Twitter. Okay, Twitter, I've tried Twitter, but it's not okay. Twitter is only good if you want to push audience to your website, and then people can buy from there. So my advice to the people of VK, because this is your video, my advice that I can give you: try and integrate with the social media, with this social media that you have. I will tell you for free. Most of the companies that are really going down, you can notice right now they are really active on social media. Because if you integrate with the social media community, then you'll be able to find clients who are willing to buy things from where you are. I've tried this very many times. I've sold goods in South Africa. I've sold goods in Tanzania. Okay, East Africa. That is what has happened. I've also tried to sell goods to the challenge here is on the side of shipping, because most people are not really conversant with that. But I've also tried selling to like Mauritius. I've also tried selling to Mozambique. So if you have these social media channels, it means you really have to put in a lot of work, because that's how the world is going. These are not the days where you just sit by and wait for people just to come to your shop. Nowadays, people are usually doing the e-commerce. You have to look for a way of spreading awareness there with your products. So what I can tell my followers from VK, it's very, very important. It's very, very important. You have to get a niche of the social media accounts that you have. And then you should also try and get a niche of how you can be able to sell outside your countries. Yeah, okay, understand there are these sanctions here and there, but still there has to be a way of how you can push out your products and services to other countries. That's what really happened. That's what even really made China to grow, and it's one of the only countries that managed to get there's some, why am I forgetting this word? They managed to get an overflow of their capital, because what China did is, and that's why they're really succeeding. They decided to close. They decided to get into the manufacturing hub, yeah, and they were making things to sell to other countries out there. That is how they managed to grow. So the old system does not seem to work out these days in favor. Yeah, like it's like I can tell you, it's most of my clients. Yes, I already have established clients, but most of the clients that I'm getting now are from the social media accounts, people that I've never even seen. Yeah, so long as you have good products, you have your products are good, your services are good, then try and look for a way of how you can expand it. Yeah, like for example, another dropshipping company you can use. Okay, you can also use Amazon. Amazon is very, very good, but I've not seen it really works for us here in Africa. Etsy is another good one for people who are into the craft business. Etsy is one of the best platforms that you can use. You can also use eBay, but you can start first from the basics of your social media accounts. Yeah, you can. Instagram is also very, very good. You can also try and promote your products from there. So just like I'm trying to say, try and look for a way of how you can sell your products, not just to the people around you, but also outside the country. That is the advice I have for those people who are trying to reach me out on how they can sell. This is VK. Okay, one of the things I've really liked about VK. Okay, like I'm sorry to say this, Facebook is a joke. Most of the people are just posting selfish content. Maybe somebody has a dog, posting me and my dog. Okay, posting me and this or very, very many selfies that are not really adding value. Me, I'm in social media to grow my audience and to sell. Period. That's what I'm in social media for. So this is for people who are in social media to sell their products, to make an income, yeah, to grow their financial base. This video is for those kind of people. It's not just for anybody who is just there to throw a selfie or this is how good I look, no. This video is for people who really want to grow their financial basis, make money online. So anyway, that's all that I had. In case you have any questions that you'd want to ask me, please feel free and I'll share. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel. Okay, that is where I get to post videos of the crafts that I do. I also have Instagram. I'll try and link all my accounts there. So thank you so much. God bless. I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. I really appreciate your engagement. Thank you so much.